Hello and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to look at zedge dash camera. This one is model Z3G, and it's because it has a GPS in it. That's probably the most important thing that I like about the camera. It does have a wide angle lens, 150 degrees. It has a 2.7 inches screen and motion detection and all of the other good stuff. So let's take a look. Here it is. Here is the dash camera. It does have the zedge logo here. These look like little speakers. Here's the power button. This is where you hang it. That's the power supply. The MicroSD. Okay, so here is your power supply. This is so you can plug it in the computer. There's the suction cup, and it does have the GPS. So it comes with your lighter, the power. Oh, it does have an LED here. It has two USBs. It's a thank you from the company. Here are the instructions. And this is perfect. This is so you can hide the cable. You can go into the settings here. You can select the resolution you want. The loop recording is 1, 3, or 5 minutes. You have voice setup, exposure, stamp setup. You also have languages. You got English, but you got other ones as well. French, German, Portuguese, Spanish, Italian. You can set up the time here if you want it to beep. I don't like the beep right now, so I guess I'll take it off. The auto power off is if you want it to turn off right away, or if you want it to delay 1, 3, or 5 minutes. The LCD auto off, I got it on 3 minutes, but you got an option of 1 or off. Wide angle. If you have a new card, you want to format it. I like the parking monitoring because if anybody bumps into your car or hits your car, it'll turn on and record. So here I already installed the application, and once you download it, you can open the file here. A lot of information. It gives you the time, the coordinates, where you were, how fast you were going, average speed. You can pause it, you can play it, you can stop. You can take a screenshot, you could put it as on full screen. So it gives you the speed here in miles or kilometers if you want. See, 17, 19 miles per hour. Max speed was 25. It looks really nice too. You could do the full screen if you want. There. And you can see the license plates on this car. So it's pretty neat, I like it. So I was able to find a place where I can put the lighter down there and hide the wire. You can't see it. Put it all in there and ran it all the way up here, in here, in there. You take this and you put it against your windshield, and once you put it against your windshield, for it to stay still, you turned it this way. And you can see there's that little lock there. If you want to take it off, you can just turn it the other way. So if you plug it in first, it's easier because now you can just basically put it on here and slide it, and that's it.